Here we have a 2023 Hyundai Tucson, top of the range N-line, with steel grey 3/4 fit full sheepskin open backs. As you can see, seat covers have been profiled to the shape of the seat. Separate headrests. Being an N-line, the plastic insert on the backrest, we leave that open just for that extra sporty look. On the base, both sides have electric adjustment, being a top of the range premium, so seat covers tuck in the seat to allow access to all adjustments, including lumbar height and tilt. Airbag provision on both door sides, of course, and the inside of the driver's side, and being an open back, of course, has a plastic capping, which you can see the seat cover tucks into that capping. Thank you.